Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the built-in whiteboard from Microsoft Teams. So basically, when you download Microsoft Teams, there is a built-in whiteboard which you don't need to install externally. So that's quite helpful when you're trying to show something to your class or write on your board. So first of all, you need to be in a call. And I'm already in a call, so I will show you how to open the Microsoft Whiteboard. And if you click on the share button, like the share content, and then there will be little pop-up on the bottom of your screen. And as you can see, there will be a section called Whiteboard. And this Microsoft Whiteboard, this is already built in within Teams, and you will be able to open it. But one thing to say is you will be able to download many other extensions which is available from Microsoft Teams Store. For example, this one, this is also a whiteboard, but this is not installed in my computer. You can download your favorite one and install it on Microsoft Teams, but the one which is built in within Microsoft Teams, that's called Microsoft Whiteboard. So now I'm going to open it, Microsoft Whiteboard, and as you can see, it's open, and everyone in the call now can see it. And there are like two options. If you click on present whiteboard, only you can edit. Other people in the call, they can't edit. But if you want to use it in a collaborative mode, just select this option and then click on there. So there are like different tools that you can use and to write and show it to your class. So yeah, that works, as you can see. And now this is particularly useful when you are using a breakout room. And now I'm going to show you, if you have multiple breakout room and you have used your whiteboard within your breakout room, and then when you return to your main room, you want to show how to you want to show the your version of the whiteboard to the main classroom. For that, you can go to settings in the menu, and you can export PNGs. What that means is it will export a photo of your whiteboard, everything that you wrote, and save it to your computer, and it's already available. So it's downloaded on your PC, and once you are done, you can stop sharing. And then now if you want to share it again, you can select this specific desktop and then open your picture and represent it in your main room. So that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching.